Cleaning the E-coat off one side, the paint on the other, so we can use a pro spot here to maximize the circuit.
All we have to do is roll the film again. Stand by. Well, you did good. I couldn't figure out what's he looking at.
I'm sorry, I just looked at it and I wasn't thinking.
Because the word pro spot's right here. And I'm starting off on it. Stand by and action.
What I'm doing first is cleaning the E-coat off one side and the paint off the other, so we can maximize the circuit through. Man, I'm sorry.
Just do it again. Just keep doing it.
Two.
A little bit, and I'll ask you some questions. So you'll be all right.
I hate speech.
Just look at me and tell me what you're doing. 'Cause I don't know what you're doing.
All right.
Stand by and action.
First of all, I'm cleaning the E-coat off one side of the quarter panel. On the inside of the window, I'm cleaning the paint off the other side, so we can get this pro spot to weld better.
Okay, start right there and I'll be down here on your hand.
Okay.
So say to get this pro spot to weld better, and then keep on telling.
To get the spot weld to weld better, you have to have both sides clean, so it can maximize the. Man, damn.
You know what you're going to say, because we can just do it again.
Yeah. Where do you want me to start, sir?
So it can weld better.
So it can weld better. We have to have both sides clean, so it'll maximize the circuit through the pro spot.
Good.
Start from, so it will weld better?
Yeah.
So it will weld better, so we can maximize the current through the pro spot.
One more time.
Okay.
I'll move quicker.
Okay. To make the weld better, so we can maximize the current through the pro spot weld.
Basically, want you to back off and get that whole dead gum.
Okay, go.
We need an air hose hooked up. We can edit that out. One thing they don't teach you here is how to hook up an air hose. Remember that. There we go. We're hooked. Ready to go.
Pull that hose down.
We ready?
Yeah.
Go.
And I want you to do a couple on the back glass opening also, Greg. Right there, that's good. Just point it right at it. Just a second, Ray. In your line. Right. Sticking your tongue out, right?
me to clean this first?
What?
Nah, we're good.
Where are you working now?
I don't know.
What?
Where now?
Get the back glass up. Hold a couple of shots.
Right here?
The rear
Okay,
glass.
now move that light back over this way. If that's where you're coming in, back up and come back into it. Back up about 5 feet. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah, bring that light around right over here.
Can you move it? Can you move your hand out of the way backwards?
I'm going to as soon as I get it clamped down.
Okay, Rick, you ready?
Yeah.
That was a good one. Do a couple more down.
God damn it.
I think I'll cut out the goddamn it.
I'm sorry. Yeah. I don't think we'll be able to get that one. Apparently that one ain't clean.
Okay, let him stop and talk a little bit to the car. There, Van.
Yeah, just say something like that. Okay, I'm sorry, what was your name?
Aaron.
Aaron.
Yeah.
Aaron, tell me what you've been doing with this Pro Spot.
I went in here and pretty much just spot welded the spots that have been cleaned.
Just pretend I'm somebody who walked off the street, which is pretty much true. And so Pro Spot looks pretty cool, but how'd you use it to do what you had to do on the car?
The Pro Spot is designed to make factory welds. And the way it works is 10,000 watts of electricity runs through these two electrodes, which it clamps down together with pneumatic pressure, resistant spot welding the two pieces of metal together.
Okay, so now tell me what you did. Start off the same resistance, weld the part together, and just keep on going. You said something like it has all these watts of volts.
Oh yeah.
Talk about that and then talk about specifically what you did.
What do you mean? I mean like.
So that's what it does.
Yeah.
What did you do with that power to the hand?
Spot welded up the door.
Oh, okay. With the Pro Spot, I welded the quarter panel on, and I will not have to grind any welds because it lays them flat. And the way it works is you got your knobs, a switch. The switch is for coated metals, which have base primer on the back side of the metal, and then you adjust your pressure, which adjusts how much pressure your clamps make. And then you got your current control that controls how much current's running through your electrodes, the copper electrodes. And this one, it's in tenths of a second how long the electrodes will stay clamped and resistant spot weld the metal together.
Go back and talk to me a little bit about the control panel. I wasn't on the control panel. Look at it and point out things and tell me what they do.
This is how you control your pressure, which controls how hard your clamp down the metal. And this is your on and off switch for the coated metals, which is when it has the primer on the back side of the metal, so it will penetrate through. And then you can control your current, how much volts is running through your electrodes by this. And this controls how long in tenths of a second it stays clamped down to weld the metal together.
Okay, for some reason your mic cut out near the end. You're doing great. Can you do it one more time?
Everything or just the control panel?
Yeah.
Like galvanized, coating galvanized metal. Say,
Oh, okay.
let's see.
Yeah, you can start with the bottom two knobs.
All right.
Everything else is how long the current flows is the intensity.
Okay.
It's not how long it stays together. It's
All right.
the current flow.
What about this knob?
That one that's your voltage.
Okay.
Okay. Start there.
On the ProSpot control system right here, this controls how much current's running through your electrodes, and this controls how long the voltage runs through the electrodes in tenths of a second. And this is for when you're dealing with coated metals such as galvanized, and this controls how much pressure your electrodes clamp down the two pieces of metal together to properly get the resistant spot weld you're trying to achieve.
Okay, I'm Now you gonna talk to me after this one?
Yeah, I can, yeah.
Okay.
Just turn over right here and do it?
Yeah, after you finish, just turn right at me and tell me what you do. Not right now, I mean, go ahead and finish your next weld and then I'll
Okay.
then turn around and talk to you.
Should we start back welding again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you want him to weld again?
Yeah, we'll just
Or I can just pull away from it.
Probably got the machine all screwed up, so I was trying to turn it off, and I
I can just pull up from it if you want me to. Just lay down and go like this and then pull away from it. Like I just
no,
finished welding.
we need to have you welding again.
Go for it.
Okay. Just tap it. Again. What I'm doing here is plug welding the rocker panel with the MIG welder, because the Pro Spot, I'm not able to get access through the back with the Pro Spot, so I'm using the MIG welder to MIG weld. And dang it, I just went blank. I go blank every time I do
Okay,
this.
start right there. So I'm doing the MIG welder to do something and.
The MIG welder just plugged into the spot weld. Dang it, mother fudger. Clear my head. Let me clear.
Do it all over.
No,
Okay.
let me get this.
Just remember in Hollywood.
Talk about why you're using the spot welder or the
Plugging the
MIG is because you're
using plug welds, yeah.
plug welding holes that you don't have access,
Through the
backside access
backside access.
for the Pro Spot to be able to use.
And you don't need to go say it. You're done.
Okay.
Think of new things to say.
Yeah, there ain't a whole lot to say.
Oh, okay.
Hey, you ready?
Yep. All right, let's do this again. What I'm doing here is using the MIG welder to plug weld the rocker panel, because I'm not able to get access through the Pro Spot. I cannot get access through the back. So I'm using the MIG welder to plug weld. And one of the benefits of using the MIG welder is that, well, actually benefits using the Pro Spot is I don't have to dress anything when I'm done with the MIG welder. I have to dress it because it uses, God dang it, motherfucker.
Okay, just start right there. Just say one of the benefits. I'll be tight on your face.
Yeah.
So just say one of the benefits of the.
Pro Spot.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. I'm ready.
One of the benefits of using the Pro Spot is it makes factory welds. I do not have to dress it as if I were using the MIG welder, because I'm gonna have to dress it and make it look uniform. So I don't have to come back or grind it down, so I don't have to, I don't even know why.
With a MIG welder,
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to come back and dress my welds to make.
Yeah, I think you're trying to go on too long. Just,
Yeah.
just say,
Too much in.
here's the advantage over that, and you're done.
Yeah.
Okay.
The advantage of using the Pro Spot over the MIG welder is the Pro Spot I won't have to dress my welds, and the MIG welder I will have to dress my welds.
I see you did it.
That works.
Internship. But wait till I tell you your, okay, good.
My name is Brian Merritt. I'm from Ardmore, Oklahoma, and I will be interning at Mark Heights Automotive in Norman, Oklahoma.
Mark Heights Collision Center.
What about Mark Heights Collision Center?
Okay.
Sound like you're going to work with mechanics.
Say take two and then do your name, where you're from, and where you're going to intern.
All right, take two. My name is Brian Merritt. I'm from Ardmore, Oklahoma, and I will be doing my internship at Mark Heights Collision in Norman, Oklahoma.
One more time, take three, just slow down a little bit. Okay, go ahead.
All right. My name is Brian Merritt. I'm from Ardmore, Oklahoma, and I will be doing my internship at Mark Heights Collision in Norman, Oklahoma.
And rolling.
My name is Terry Carter. I'm from Holderville, Oklahoma, and I will be doing my internship at Fletcher's Body Shop in Holderville.
Okay, let's do it one more time. Your voice kind of cracks a little bit. You got a cough or a...
All right, yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Speak up, Terry.
All right. My name is Terry Carter. I'm from Holderville, Oklahoma, and I'll be doing my internship at Fletcher's Body Shop in Holderville.
Okay, this time try to smile a little bit as you're saying it.
All right.
That's good, like that. Yeah, that looks real handsome.
Just whenever. All right. My name is Terry Carter. I'm from.
Wait, guys. Okay,
My name is Terry Carter. I'm from Holderville, Oklahoma, and I'll be doing my internship at Fletcher's Body Shop in Holderville.
that's good? All right.
Okay.
The red light comes on. Can you see a red light?
Yeah.
Okay.
My name's Aaron Hamilton. I'm from Stillwell, Oklahoma, and I'll be interning at Northwest Arkansas Collision Center.
Okay, you sound a little bored.
Okay.
Get some energy.
In Fayetteville. Or what thing?
Farmington.
Farmington.
Yeah.
Okay.
My name's Aaron Hamilton. I'm from Stillwell, Oklahoma, and I'll be interning out of Farmington, Arkansas at Northwest Arkansas Collision Center.
Okay, try one more time.
Okay.
And
Advancing your feet.
try to like smile when you're talking. Just some kind of
Okay.
voice like this.
right.
My name is. And you feel silly, but you look great.
All right. My name is Aaron Hamilton. I'm from Stillwell, Oklahoma, and I'll be interning at Northwest Arkansas Collision Center out of Farmington.
I guess you just kind of look right at the camera and tell me what. Okay, Kelly. So now they're going on internship. What have they accomplished today? What have
Okay, now just stop. Do you want me to go through what we've done today, or you want me to just kind of summarize the whole thing?
a little of both. Like today we did this, and so now before they go on internship, here's where we've gotten the car to.
Okay, so you may just kind of start where we've been today.
Yeah, so this will be part 3.
Okay. All right.
So what's happened today, and how far does this advance you in getting the car ready to?
We had all the inner structure welded on the car. Today we was in a process of, after the quarter panel was put up in a line, we went through the process of welding the quarter panel on the car. We did use the Pro Spot as Aaron explained to you, and it was used as much as possible. What it does, it does duplicate an OEM, original equipment looking type weld, and then the remainder of the welds was welded on with the MIG welder. At this point, the car has, all the welds have been completed. As you can see, the car is now completely assembled, with the exception of the rear end is not underneath the car yet. The students are now going to go on their internship. They'll be gone for 8 weeks. At this point, the car will pretty well, we won't do anything to the car during this time. Students come back from internship, what we will do is we will completely tear the car down, because we are going to do a color change. As we mentioned before, it'll be orange and black. We'll be pulling the doors off, the fenders off, taking all the exterior moldings and the lights off of the car. And at that point, it'll go to the paint shop and start the process of putting the car to the color specs that we choose. Color specs that we choose. That didn't sound.
Okay, quiet on the set.
Guys,
Okay, go ahead, Kelly.
let's see.
Tear the car. Let's start with, we're going to tear the, when they come back, we're going to tear the car all apart.
When the students come back from their internship, what we will do is we'll remove all parts on the car necessary to do a complete color change. We'll take the fenders off the car and the hood, the trunk, the doors, we'll remove the lights. The car will be disassembled. The car will go down to the paint shop. We are going to do a complete color change on it to the orange and black. To make it look as close to OEM paint job as we possibly can. Everything will be removed. Be no detection of the car ever having a complete paint. Rex, can they make noise now?
Okay.